Imagine two students who studies all day, checking messages, getting distracted, doing a little bit of everything. The other studies for just 1 hour. No phone, no noise, full focus. Well, guess who wins? Not the one who studies longer, the one who studies deeper. This idea comes from the book Deep Work by Newport. And here's the secret. If you can focus without distractions, you can become better than most people, no matter your age. Now think about this. You sit down to study. After 2 minutes, you check your phone, then you look around, then you feel bored. 1 hour passes, but nothing worthwhile is done. Now, imagine this. You sit for just 30 minutes, no phone, no talking, just full focus. Suddenly, things become easy. You understand faster, you feel proud. This is deep work. So, there are five cheat codes that are mentioned in the book. Number one, make a no distraction zone. When you study, remove everything that can disturb you. No phone, no noise, no pets, just you and your work. Number two, practice being bored. Don't run to your phone when you feel bored. Sit with it because boredom is how your brain becomes stronger. Number three, don't count the time, count results. Don't say, I studied 3 hours. Say, I finished this chapter. Results matter, not time. Number four, cut fake work. Watching videos, checking messages, small easy tasks, they feel like work, but they are not. Real work is when your brain works real hard. Number five, finish your day like a champion. Before you stop, decide what you will do tomorrow, plan well, execute it even better. Close your books with a clear mind, come back stronger the next day. Listen carefully. You don't need more time. You don't need to be smarter. You just need to focus better. Because 1 hour of deep work can change your whole future. Stop being distracted. Start going deep and watch your life level up.